The southwest monsoon withdrawal line continues to pass through latitude 27 degrees north, longitude 92 degrees east, Kohama, Silchar, Krishnanagar, Baripada, Malkangiri, Nalgonda, Bagalkote, Vengurla, latitude 16 degrees north, longitude 65 degrees east, and latitude 16 degrees north, longitude 60 degrees east. Conditions are becoming favorable for further withdrawal of southwest monsoon from remaining parts of northeast India, entire North Bay of Bengal, remaining parts of West Bengal, some parts of Central Bay of Bengal, remaining parts of Orissa, some parts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, entire Goa, some parts of Karnataka and some parts of Central Arabian Sea around the 23rd of October. With likely setting in of northeasterly winds in the lower tropospheric levels over Bay of Bengal and extreme south peninsular India, the southwest monsoon is likely to withdraw from entire country around the 26th of October 2021. Simultaneously, the northeast monsoon rains are also likely to commence over southeast peninsular India from around the 26th of October 2021. Mainly low-level northerlies prevail over the state. Forecast for Day 1, light to moderate rain or thunder showers likely to occur at isolated places over Telangana. Forecast for Day 2, dry weather likely to prevail over Telangana. Forecast for Day 3, dry weather likely to prevail over Telangana. Forecast for Day 4, dry weather likely to prevail over Telangana. Forecast for Day 5, dry weather likely to prevail over Telangana.